Adidas seems to have more options than ever before. Using models like the AE1 or Harden Volume9, adopting fashionable soccer trends with their caged cleats or the Predator Megaride, and riding the low pro wave alongside Wales Bonner and Willy Chavarria, the company is once again at the forefront of the basketball industry. However, the Adidas Samba remains at the core of their empire, appropriately sporting a core black and lucid pink split. Although it's a minor departure from the model's standard white, black, and gum combination, the sheer brightness of the accent hue clearly increases its effect. This women's variant naturally features lucid pink on the heel cup and 3 stripes branding at the quarter, while the durable gum sole underneath counterbalances the hi-vis hue with a bit of grounded tonality. The Adidas Samba is available in a few sizes in lucid pink. For this version, the retail price stays at the standard $100.